Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this horror text animations intro in CapCut PC. First, you can just use a black background like this on a CapCut PC and set it to around 10 seconds. Like this. And after that, here go to text and then just write your text. For example, in here, I'm going to go with ghost. Here you can change the font using this terror. You can just find it in here. Just type in terror font. You can adjust the size. I'm going to go with bold and make it this size like this. And now you can just go to animations and then add the flicker animations under the in category here. This one, add it to the text, and you can just now copy and paste the text in here. So add some distance on it, paste it 3 times. Don't forget to adjust the length of each text. And next, you can just change the second and the third text, the content of it. So for example, I'm going to go with town. And the third one right here is mystery. Okay, after this, what you need to do is just add video effects. The first one that you can add is the faulty cassette effects. You can just search for it in here and then add it to the clips. The text, sorry, you need to create a compound text, a compound clip first. So just select all of them and right click and create compound clip, and after that you can add the effects. This faulty cassette effect, download it first if you haven't used it on your CapCut PC. Okay, click on the plus icon, adjust it for the whole text video, and the second effect you can add the negative effect. Just type in on the search bar at the top and add the negative effect in here, adjust the length, and the last effect will be the fog effect. So you can add these 3 effects, or you can just choose between one of or 2 in this 3. Okay, so the video is done. Now you can just add the sound effects. You can go to audio and find sound effects and just find creepy or scary sound effect as the keyword. So for example, I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I'm going to add this one into the clip, and I'm going to split or delete the rest of them. And I'm going to also add the other one. Let's try this one. Okay. And that's it. So let's preview the result first. This is the horror text animation intro. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.